Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's happened again. I drunk dialed Temu. Let's address the elephant in the room. I'm looking a little bit tanned than usual. I did a little fake tan last night. I think I did a good job. Never done it before in my life, but I wore a dress the other day and I looked like a bloody Casper the Friendly Ghost. Summer has arrived in the UK. Now, when I'm filming this, we're the weekend of Easter. It's blowing a gale outside, it's cold, it's been raining. What's new in the UK? When it was warm and I was sat on my veranda having a little Prosecco, I drunk dialed Temu and TikTok. I bought some outfits. Yes, I know, me and Temu have had that up and down when it comes to the outfit. I will be doing a try on in this video. I will link everything down below from TikTok, everything down below from Temu as usual. I'll put the prices on screen, what I ordered to what I got. I've got lots of bags over here, guys, so go grab yourself a snack, grab yourself your favourite beverage, and let's just jump straight into it. Scissors are a go. It's been really nice weather here in the UK and everything, so I thought, you know what, I need some new summer essentials. Saw quite a lot of these on TikTok that are going viral, and I thought, you know what, I've been sucked in. Will they look nice on me? For reference, I am between a 14 and a 16. TikTok ones are literally just clothes. Temu are a little bit of clothes and a little bit of tat, what I picked up, okay? Because we all know on this channel, your girl likes a bit of Temu tat. Don't know how much you're going to be able to see, but it's this gorgeous like dress, and it's got like this little flappy bit over the top, like where the girls sit. Oh guys, I love this one. This one is so pretty and so flattering. T-shirt dress kind of things. It's got that tie detail at the side to cinch in the belly. T-shirt dress. Oh my god, yes, I love this. It's a t-shirt dress, guys. It is so flattering and lovely. It literally goes, move me. Do you know how many times I nearly stood on this one? It literally comes above my calf, so flattering. I love these kinds of styles of dress because you can dress them up and you can wear them casually with a pair of trainers. This year I've decided that my style is going to be cute. Maisie's laid down there as usual. Every time I film, she's in the room with me. Tony's gone fishing, first time in ages. Time to myself. I've got some time for myself. So I've been watching at the minute Grey's Anatomy. I'm back on the Grey's Anatomy trend again. Have you guys watched Adolescence on Netflix? Because that is so good. It's a must watch. I'm reading my book. It's giving very much Beetlejuice vibes. It's another little play suit. Oh, I like this actually. This is going to look gorgeous in summer. Not a fan, guys. I'm not a fan of this one. It's very booby. I wouldn't be comfortable wearing it. That's why I put this little top on underneath. Especially on camera because I don't want to get demonetized. Yeah, I think this one just does not fit the girls. I'm sure everybody knows this brand on TikTok, Yosi, and everybody is talking about this really stretchy playsuit. Material of this feels so nice. Cheap fabric. It's got the spaghetti arms which you can adjust. This viral playsuit, guys, I'm in love with it. I love it. Obviously I wouldn't wear my little suit underneath it, my bodysuit or my bra, but I'm too lazy to take it off. But oh my god, this viral playsuit, you've got pockets, it's stretchy AF. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna get so much wear out of this. We just need summer to come back. Very randomly, I've got 2 big bags and I've got about 4 little bags. So I'm gonna start off with the little ones first. Random makeup brushes. I am gonna do a giveaway soon. So I'm stocking up on like little giveaway bit, and this will be in the giveaway. So I'm not gonna open it. So yeah, I'll be doing a giveaway very soon. Oh, I know what this is now. So it's an acrylic thing that I've got to put together, and you know my Dossier perfumes. Oh, by the way guys, Dossier is in the UK. But this is like, you know in shops when they've got like shelves and they've got all the pretty perfumes on, that's this, and I've got to put it together. So when I put it together, I'll put a little overlay. Oh my god, it's got screws and everything. I thought this was going to come all put together. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try and put this together. I'm no DIY queen, but I'll give it a go. If I can't do it, then Tony's home tomorrow and his little job. Another little bag, a little blushy, her orange, very me packaging, love it. I'm loving the pink blushes at the minute. See that? Well, it's very, very pale pink. So me and Tony will be obviously in sometime over the summer, we'll be going away in the caravan again, and I needed a new like makeup bag. I used to have one of these kinds of makeup bags. I'm sure a brand gave me one of these makeup bags years ago. I don't know where for the life of me it is. I always keep these bags as well, these Temu like Ziploc bags. They come so much in handy, you know, like when for dirty washing and stuff, especially when you're away. Dress, it does feel very papery, you know, that papery feel, but it's going to be nice and cooling for the summer month. Row on, but it's got that gorgeous peplum. Is it called peplum? It's got the really nice dainty daisy flowers on. I am having such a good experience this time round with Temu. This dress is super cute. It's very, very lightweight. I'm in love with it. One of the big bags, and we've got another big bag. Let's get through it. So I've got this acrylic tray for all my like eyeshadow palettes. Not that I've got a lot of them these days, I've only got a few, and I just thought these, because they've got like the green bit there, they do feel very cork material. But I got these in a size 5, quite a dented box. This does, I think even Tony's gonna like this, because Tony's not a fan of Temu. He's really not a fan of Temu, and every time I get Temu parcels he'll go, for the love of God, stop ordering off Temu. How stinking cute is that? They might need tightening up a little bit, but that's just cute, right? Ooh, some makeup. I love Temu's lip product. There is a little bit of backlash about buying makeup off Temu, so I don't currently have a lot of lip liners, so I bought these ones. They do feel really, really nice. And that's just one of them. So it is like a pencil, but it goes on so smooth. Didn't know, I can't remember her having long sleeves. This is giving me very much granny vibes, guys. Around here, it's got that peplum print. If it is indeed peplum print, I don't know. We shall see. We shall see. That might end up in the charity shop. Unsure about this one. I don't know if I like it or don't like it. Do I look like Mrs. Bo Peep? Or does it look cute? But we shall see. Ooh, this looks like a little blush. Cute packaging. Very, very pink. I love that. That is gorgeous. Oh, it's got a little sheen to it as well. I just bloody love opening stuff. I'm a serial shopaholic. It's got loads of like little lips on it. The name of the brand up here, My Cheer. Ooh, hydrating and plumping. Ooh. Did I just buy a lip plumper off Temu and probably blow my lips up? I won't need to get bloody lip filler, will I? Ooh, it's looking a little bit like Judy doll. Giving me very much Judy doll dupe. Oh, I know what this is now. It's one of those lip tint things. Like a lip liner tint thing. Oh, another one with long sleeves. Oh, bloody hell. Yeah, it's very papery. So nice and breathable in the summer. It's got a V-neck line, but long arms. Very cute, to be honest. If it looks nice on me, it's gonna look really cute. Oh, this looks better on than off. This feels so nice. So many dresses now to see me right through summer. This is different. So it's like a little top at the top and a skirt at the bottom. This feels more like quality material. It doesn't feel that papery material. I love this one, guys. I didn't know if I would or not. I think with a little belt around the middle, I think this one would look super cute. Just a nice casual, you know, summer day outfit. Oversized t-shirt. So it's just a plain white t-shirt with this like little logo on the front of Paris. Oh, I know what this is. This is a dressing gown, a silky one. So I've got my winter one, but a nice thin summer silky gown, like to do get ready with me's and stuff. Oh, this is pretty. This is very silky. I'm obsessed with this dressing gown. Oh my god, so many get ready me's are gonna be in this dressing gown. How stinking cute. Flowers all on it, very spring and summer. Like I say, I've got my winter like fluffy dressing gown, but I wanted something nice and silky and thin for summer. Paper bag, are these what they're called? Paper bag short. But yeah, look, it's got a nice pair of shorts, and I could like wear this with like a nice black bodysuit or a white bodysuit. So the paper bag shorts I absolutely love. I just need Tony to help me. You know when you've got to hold it there because it will go. I just can't seem to do it by myself. Guys, we've got one more big bag to get through. Put my glasses in. How stinking cute is that? And this was only a couple of quid as well, guys. Very cute. And you also get like a glass wipe with it as well. I got a lot of tatty stuff. I got this little hair clip. How gorgeous is this one? It's so beautiful. It's got like little, I think they're meant to be Temu again. It's falling to bits. I've only just got it out of the packaging and it's already falling to bits. That's the only thing. That's why I buy loads of them, because it lasts like 2 seconds, to be honest. Temu sorted out. That would have been so stinking cute. How stinking cute is that? It's got moons and stars on it. Definitely me. This one looks so pretty. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? Yeah, it's a little love heart and a little doggy paw. How stinking cute. So you can have the earring just like a gold hoop. I don't really like my hoops very big. And I got like a colourful flower. Little ladybugs. How stinking cute are they? They're the most cutest little earrings ever, and they're just a little bit of costume jewellery, but who doesn't like a little bit of costume jewellery? I picked up some more cute little earrings, and they're just 2 little daisy flowers. Little daisies, they are super, super cute. So this is a nice play suit, more structured. More dressy up, and it's got like this belt detail on the front. Again, guys, oh my god, this little playsuit is so cute, especially like with the little belt there as well. Hoping it looks nice on, because on the picture it looked really stinking cute. And I always get that as well, like I'll see other people wear something, I'm thinking, oh my god, that looks so cute, and the same body size, like shape as me. I'll put it on and I'll look like a toad, an actual toad. Or I'll see something online and think, oh, that goes with that so perfectly. I'll put it on and I'm like, what the hell was I thinking? I've got no fashion sense. I'll just pick stuff that I think will look nice on me, and then when I put it on I'm like, I need help. I need serious help. Another bright green thing. Oh no. Another piece of jewellery. The other warden's gonna love me. He's just emptied the bins and I've got a lot of rubbish to put in the bins. And an infinity sign. So pretty. Just a bit of costume jewellery, just especially if I don't want to wear my expensive jewellery. I'll just put a bit of tatty jewellery on. Will these ones work this time? Because the other ones that I got last time did not bloody work. So these are meant to look like you've got more than one earring in. So we shall see. What the heck is it with me and peplum bloody green dresses? Another bloody green dress, peplum one. This looks like the exact same as what the other one was. Oh, I think I prefer this one though, because it's got the short sleeves. Oh my god, I love this. The one with all the daisy lace all over. Oh, it's so stunningly pretty. So yeah, I think we've only got that one that I didn't really like. So we've got a couple more to go through, but yeah, this one, another favourite. 3/4 length leggings. All these ones have got the pocket in the side for my phone. Fabulous. I'll probably wear them tomorrow actually for work. Material on this is questionable. So it's a dress with a knot detail at the front, a little peephole there. Is it a playsuit? It's a playsuit with a little belt on the side. I love this. This looks super, super cute. Obviously I would wear it with a little top underneath because the girls would be out and that's not my vibe. Little playsuit again. This one doesn't have any like pockets or anything. I don't know if I'd wear it with this or just get like a nice little belt. Do love these little playsuits though. I really do like them. It's to go on my vanity because when I'm doing my makeup, I don't want the top of my vanity to get messy, so it's a bright pink matte. Basically it's a big matte to go on my vanity table. I seem to have bought another makeup bag. Oh, I could use this as a wash bag, actually quite big, so I'll probably use that as like a wash bag. Oh, these, I freaking love these. So they're like the Halo, is it Halo? Yeah, the Halo face wash things. Love these. And I've only got one at the minute. I think my other one is an actual Halo. So these are like little dupes of the Halo, but they haven't got, oh, they've got a little bit of thing there. But you literally just wash your face with them. Oh, I've got some clips because I really want to start trying to pin curl my hair. If you're still with me right now, guys, I love you so much. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you're updated every time I upload a video, which is once a week. I'm aiming to have it once a week on a Sunday again. I know it's been a bit all over the place with the new wardens and me and Tony being on our own for a bit, but the wardens are here now. They're on week 3, so yeah. Hopefully I can get back to a schedule, so I'm hoping to upload every single Sunday. Thumbs up. Oh, have a little box. Oh, this is, right, everyone's been talking on TikTok about that fancy camera thing that you can use your back camera when you're filming. Well, Temu have done their own little version of that little mirror thing. So it's a little mirror, clap it onto your back of your phone and you can film with your back camera. So I picked up some fake flowers, guys, to go in my little vase, my little bum vase in the living room, just to spring it up a little bit. So I bought some daisies and some little pink flowers. So I'll pop them in the pot and just see how they are. And I'll show you guys what they look like. It's like got that teddy bear feel to it. It looks so cute. Perfect to go over my arm. I can put my laptop in here if I need to. It's so big inside. I've been using like a little teeny tiny handbag, but it's so big. It's got a little compartment for my phone. But yeah, it is such a nice, you know, like when you're going out and you want to put a few little bits in there. That's cute. I like that. Temu trainers, because I don't mind cheap trainers for work, because I'm only like working on site, doing the toilets, blah de blah de blah. But I mean, they're nothing to look at. They're just cheap work trainers, basically. Some everyday little hair clip in the spring colours. So you've got a pink, purpley, a brown. Yeah, these are perfect, and I love these little clips. I've got so many of them. They're so sturdy. Such a good quality hair clip. I forgot these ones. I forgot about these ones, guys. These are 2 little strawberry little earrings. How stinking cute are they? Oh, it's a halter neck. Very 90s. Oh, it's blue. It looks green, but blue on camera. Very nice. It's got this back detail, like open back. Very, very flowy. Loving the print. Absolutely loving that print on there. That's so like summer and gorgeousness. You wouldn't think it looking out the window today because it's blowing a gale and it's been raining the last couple of days. This is another one that is absolutely stinking bloody cute, guys. Just need to sort out the back because this is so long. Don't mind me still having my bodysuit underneath. But this is so long, so I might have to get Tony's mum to like take it in and stuff. The last thing in this bag is this, in this polystyrene box. Not a clue what it is. It's my new cup. Oh guys, she's glass. She's got a lid with a straw. So happy with this one. This one is so good. I'm gonna enjoy my iced coffees with this. My Stanley, I love my Stanley, but it's so bloody big, so big and obnoxious. But this, I can put my green juice in it, I can put my iced coffees in it. It looks super bloody gorgeous, and like I say, it is made of glass. Everything that I picked up from Temu and TikTok Shop, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so you're updated every single time I upload a video, which is once a week, every Sunday. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. I love you so much, and thank you for bearing with me while we've been going through the transition of having new wardens, but I think everything is back to normal now. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you, bye.